Let's talk about bulbs and bare roots. These are ultimately the most cost-effective way to buy your new plants because you're literally just paying for the raw material. No compost, no container or pot. Roses, they're basically sent out during the winter months, so whilst the plant is dormant. This is ultimately a much easier way to establish it in your garden. Plant into well-dug over soil with manure mixed in for best results. Next, we have fruit plants. Strawberries, for example. You'll get 50% more crop on these plants when you plant during the autumn because, again, the plants are dormant. It's easier to establish them during the colder months of the year. Lastly, bulbs. Bulbs are sent out as a dry product. So again, these are dormant when they're sent to you at home, easy to plant into containers, window boxes, or into the border outside. So that gives you a quick guide to how to save money on your gardening, but also grow plants from the very best material.